These loaded scalloped potatoes are so creamy and so good, they practically melt in your mouth. Let's make them together. First, let's start with the cheese sauce. Melt your butter over medium heat, and then you're going to saute your garlic for about 30 to 45 seconds. Gradually add in your flour. We're making a roux to thicken the sauce, so we're going to let this cook for about 3 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Now add your milk and heavy cream, and you're going to give this a nice mix. And by the way, make sure that all of your ingredients are room temperature, okay? Once it starts to thicken, reduce the heat down to low, and you're going to add your cream cheese, mozzarella, and cheddar. Okay, then we're going to stir until everything is melted and smooth. Now let's season with black pepper, a little cayenne, and salt to taste. That's all it needs, y'all. Just add in a little, taste it, yeah. Once it's all combined, turn off the heat. You're going to cover and let it sit while we prep the potatoes. I'm using 3 very, very large potatoes here, and I'm using russets. Now, if you don't have potatoes this size, you might need about 5 to 6 medium potatoes. We're going to peel and slice them using a mandolin about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. If you don't have a mandolin, you can slice these by hand. Just make sure that you keep them even. Now you're going to add the potatoes to your cheese sauce and toss until everything is well coated. So I ended up adding 1 more potato since I had room in my pot. So I used 4 large total. And we're going to finish with a little more black pepper and cayenne. Now lightly grease your baking dish with butter. Then you'll add half of the potatoes for the first layer. You're going to sprinkle on some mozzarella and cheddar. Then add the remaining potatoes and top with more cheese. And if you have any extra sauce left in your pot, go ahead and drizzle that on top as well. You'll need to cover this with foil and bake at 350 until the potatoes are tender. Then after that, remove the foil and continue baking uncovered for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is golden and bubbly. So if you need to crank up your stove to about 400, you can even do that to speed up the time as well. And you're going to top with chopped bacon, green onions, or you can even add some sour cream if you like. And you're going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving so that it can set up. And yeah, that's it. These came out so good, y'all. These scalloped potatoes were so creamy and they were very cheesy and very, very delicious. I hope that you will try them. If you do, come back and let me know how yours turned out. As always, I thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to click the like button, and I hope to catch you in my next one.